The Bharatiya Janata Party received flack as pictures of the former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and Rajasthan Governor Kalyan Singh's body draped in the national flag and a BJP flag on top of it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda and BSP President Mayawati were some of the dignitaries who paid their last tributes to Kalyan Singh. According to Section 4 of the Prevention of Insults to National Honour Act, no other flag or bunting shall be placed higher than or above or except as hereinafter provided side by side with the national flag. Nor shall any object including flowers or garlands or emblem be placed on or above the flag mast from which the flag is flown. The BJP is known for its nationalism pitch, and the party has many times been vocal against opposition parties for disrespecting the national flag. But this is not the first time BJP is itself in the midst of an act that disrespects the national flag. A similar incident happened in Agar Malwa BJP headquarters in Madhya Pradesh last week, where the Indian flag overlapped the BJP flag. As part of the 74th Independence Day celebrations, BJP functionaries in Coimbatore hoisted the national flag on a party flagpole at a bus stop. In 2017, the BJP's flag was hoisted above the Indian national flag at a rally led by UP CM Yogi Adityanath in Ghaziabad. Even Prime Minister Modi has not been far from flag-related controversies. During the International Yoga Day event at India Gate in 2015, the allegation was that he used it as a handkerchief. A Federal Report.